What's up, everybody? Woo! It's me, SmokeBars, and today we're gonna be unboxing this nice camera that I just got, freaking people. So, text message? Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start unboxing it. Here we go, slowly. We don't want to get rid of it quickly. Now, I heard this is supposed to be a really, really good camera, and what I've seen online is it's pretty good. Now, the camera I'm using right now is a Logitech. I can't remember the name of it. Let me see. I think I'm using a C310. Yeah, C310. And this is the hold up. Nope, this is that camera is a C615 and I'm using a this is a C 920, I think. Yeah, C920. So this should be some pretty good quality. I'm hoping. I also got a new desk lamp. Let me turn that on. Right there. How's that bad boy? Whoa, bright as freak, boy. Okay. Oh god, but it's so bright. How do you? Okay. So let's just we gotta open. We gotta open. I mean, I'm looking nice with that lighting. Okay. So let's just open that bad boy and look at that bad boy right there. Look at that bad boy. Okay, let's just toss this out of the way. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna just. Oh man, this looks good. It looks good. It should make me look good. I'm hoping make my quality better. I hate unboxing stuff. It's so hard, so difficult. Okay, anyway. So we've got it. Yep, here we go. Let me open. Here we go. Pull it out. There we go. Got it out. Now I've got to pull out the wires. Hold up. Technical difficulties here. But I feel like I've almost got it. Ugh. There we go. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Yay, we got it off. Cool. And let's just pull that bad boy out. And we are almost good. Almost. We almost have it. And just pop that boy out and we're good. This stuff can, whoa, freak you. Now, I'm going to stop recording this. I'm going to show you this and after when I plug this one in. And yeah, this is what it looks like with the new camera. It looks good. It looks fine. It could be better, but I'm not at the point where I can buy like expensive cameras. This costs like what, 50 bucks. So it didn't cost that much money, but you can you can see that there are minor improvements. Now, without the desk lamp, let me just turn this bad boy off. It looks like this. It's pretty dark. Now, if I turn it on my light, it looks like this. So it looks good. It looks pretty decent. And this is the desk lamp with the light on, like that. How's that bad boy, huh? But I feel like overall it's pretty good. I like it. I feel like I'm going to be using this this desk lamp and this camera for a while. My new microphone's not in, so the audio is not perfect yet. But I am getting a Blue Yeti, so don't worry, it's gonna be pretty good in a little bit, in like maybe a few days. So thank you guys so much for watching, and subscribe, like, I don't know, do whatever you want. Bye. Boo.